We have a nice little birch here, and again, this is kind of like a survival food in my opinion. So like all of the little, if I was starving to death, I would come over here and I'd eat some of the tender leaves. These buds are really good food source. This is a little bit past its prime, but these little guys, when they're green, like baby corn, you can boil it. And so you can imagine if you got maybe a gallon of these, that would be a pretty substantial food source. Again, the inner cambium layer, the bark of the tree is edible, but if you don't do it right, you can kill the tree. So I generally avoid that, but birches are edible.